in the merry-go.
Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I last posted in this YouTube place. To get you guys caught up on exactly what's been happening in my life, for the past couple of years, I've just been really busy focusing most of my time and efforts in expanding my apparel business. If you're unfamiliar with it, it's called Kings Must Rise. We have close to 240,000 subscribers on that YouTube channel, but it's probably one of the main reasons why I've been neglecting this YouTube. I'm actually putting out videos more often on the Kings Must Rise YouTube channel, but it's because of that channel and me just really trying to expand the business. And the thing about owning a business, especially when you're new to it, is if you don't have anybody around you that you can base a standard off of, it's all on you to learn as much as possible in every little area of owning the business. From incorporating to having contacts with CRA and figuring out taxes, business logistics, going back and forth with suppliers. As the artist and as the main creative lead for Kings Must Rise, I have a pretty weighted job. Being your own boss can be the best teacher. Let's leave it at that. Cool. We're going to be showing you some of the prototypes that we've been working on for the apparel brand. Wave 7 stuff that recently just got released on the website, and this is stuff from fans. So do the business stuff first. Actually, I want to show you something really cool. So this thing is a gift from Machine 56, aka 5060, and you guys can follow him on Instagram. He has really wicked art and really awesome cool sculptures. I'll show you what I mean. Voila! So this is a new mask. Oops. And it's wearable. I'm not gonna go too in-depth into detail about this headpiece. If you guys are curious, we did a full unboxing for it on the Kings Must Rise YouTube channel. You guys can go check that out. Business stuff. This is from Vistaprint, okay? Testing them out, really. These are like little cards. Oh, that's cool. Here's another tidbit about business, I guess. You should really focus on the branding aspect of it. You find a logo, you stick with that logo, and you really push it. What I mean when I say branding, pretty sure you guys got an idea. It's like, how do you market yourself? You can use business cards. These are just little inserts that I'll be putting into all of the packages that I send out. It's also like almost a referral. Brings them back to your website. This is also my first time using Vistaprint, so I'm just testing out their quality. Okay. Not bad. Not the greatest, but it's quick. Like quick turnaround time and actually fairly inexpensive. I used to print out my own business cards. These guys are actually pretty on point. Here we got some of the Wave 7 Kings Must Rise apparel, which is actually already available. So what I get them to do is they send me out a one-off prototype. So at this point, I can go over little details. If there are any changes that I'd like to make, I can take photos, make the changes on Photoshop, and then send that over to them, and then we can come to a finalized product. That's when I give them the green light to create the rest. So this is the new Midnight Kids hoodie, and all of the sleeves come with a thumb hole, which is really cool. On the back it says Midnight Kids, and I think we're almost sold out for the pre-order slots online already, so you guys might have to wait until next round. And then got the black hoodie. Oh, this is the women's crop top. This is for girls. This is awesome. This is the regular black hoodie, and it's pretty much the same as the girls' crop top. Okay, oh yeah. So we got this one very special package from Sephora. Just kidding. This is just a Sephora box. I'm excited to show you whatever is in this box, but we'll save this for last, okay? Revolutionary. And this, okay, so a couple of months back, I was contacted by, let me see if I can get this out first. A few months back, I was contacted by somebody from Blizzard to create a commission for one of their friends. After the commission was created, I sent it off to them. This is basically what they sent me in return as a thank you, an Overwatch care package. So let's open her up and see what's inside. Oh, it's just a box of Blizzard goodies. We got Overwatch blind toys, which I don't know if I want to open because there's way too many in here. Most of my toys that I do open up just sit on a shelf and collect dust anyway. But if it's a blind box, you have no idea what's in here. Maybe I'll do some like giveaway for these or something. I played Overwatch for a little bit when it came out, but never really got into it. But thank you guys, folks at Blizzard, for sending me this thing. It is awesome. So yeah, a couple of pins, basically just Overwatch paraphernalia. That's cool. It's metal. And a Goldemari. What the heck? It comes in such a cool box too. Click. Okay, guys, let's see what else. So this is the P.O. box stuff that I haven't checked in a while, and I apologize. Oh man, there's a little note here and everything. Let's open her up. Oh, cool. Here, I'll show you guys the picture first. Drew a portrait of me and the car. And hey Birdie, I recently found your channel and I have no idea why I never checked out your channel in the past. You have inspired me to be creative again, and I thank you so very much. I love all the content you make because I absolutely love creativity. The art, the music, and the cars. Never thought I'd find someone with all the same interests as me. Hope to meet you one day at a convention or car meet so that I can race you in my future Toyota Supra. Nice choice. Please keep making awesome content and release some dank ass merchandise so I can support. Hope you don't already have this Funko Pop I'm sending you. Eddie. Eddie, appreciate you for sending this over, man. And no, I do not have this Funko Pop yet, but I do have Deku, so perfect match. Thank you. So actually, this is all from the same person. It's just a whole bunch of anime goodies. Let's start with this, I guess. It's a Gun Gale Online backpack, or side purse, sorry, merce, whatever. I feel like there's stuff in here too. Mikasa plush. You got paintbrushes. Person knows that I love art, and a fan. And of course, this awesome Sinon bag. She threw in a hat in there. What is this? A Buddha board. Oops. I've played around with these before. Basically, just use water, and you use the bamboo brush that it comes with, and paint on this thing, and it stays on there for a certain period of time, but it actually disappears, and you can recreate. You can just keep drawing over and over again. Oh, there it is. It literally says, this is the entire idea behind this art form, okay? Master the art of letting go. You can create a beautiful masterpiece on this thing, but it'll disappear in time. Makes sense. And she gave me these posters. I don't know if I want to open them up. Okay, maybe we will. Just the One Piece one, let's see. Oh, hey! That's cool. Beautiful. And this is a Tokyo Ghoul one. Next, oh, let's see what's in here. Just a shoebox full of more goodies. To Birdie from Aaron. Hey Birdie, I fell in love with your artwork the moment I saw it. I've been following you on Instagram for a while now, but it wasn't until very recent that I came to be inspired by both you and Reed to really start pushing myself. Reed is actually one of my other Instagram friends who is really creative and awesome at art as well. Her coloring skills are insane. I know I have a ways to go, but I'm drawing things I never thought I would thanks to you. What the? I thought that was real for a sec. A keychain bun. Oh, yum. Candy mochi. More candies and food and toys. Whoa, that's cool. There's way too many little goodies in here. Dragon Ball. Fairy Tale wallet. Oh, that's cool. She threw in some mangas. Boruto. What? I still haven't gotten into Boruto. Basically translates to bolt. Boruto. Oh, cool. And one more shirt. I think. Sweet. Just some athletic wear. Awesome, dude. Aaron, thank you so much. It's so much. Yeah, I don't know what to expect from these things sometimes, but this is really cool. Aaron, thank you so much for the gifts. Sorry it took a while for me to open them up. Got them in my hands safe and sound, so appreciate it. Thank you. Put these aside. All right, guys, are you ready to see what's in this box? You guys may know me for my drawings. A few years back, when I basically built up my Instagram following, that was the beginning of the whole Pokemon wearing their evolution hoodie phenomenon. And it started off with me drawing Pikachu in a Raichu onesie. Fast forward a few years later, this happens. I'm Gordon, the owner of Faber GK. I sell many statues, including works from Fantasy Studio. Here's one based off your design. You do have to assemble it, and each piece is hand painted at Faber GK. Bro, I'll give you all the shout outs. Awesome. I didn't know each piece was hand painted. Okay, are you guys ready? What is this? Show you a close up. Ta-da! You know what? Let's do this proper and we'll assemble it on the table and give you guys a closer look that way. All right, check that out. Even the box it comes in is super cool. You open that up. What? That side. Whoa. Wow, all of the pieces are literally individual. Oh, you got the antennas, the leaf. Oh, that is so cool. It just goes in the back like so. Stick that on there. Oh, that is so cool. I feel like this is so fragile. I mean, we already lost the stem part on the leaf. So sad. Oh, actually, it's right here. It broke. It broke. It's such a skinny piece. And then there's even a little tiny hole on the back of this that just goes like that. What? Well, guys, I've never been more proud. This seems so fragile, so I'll put that down before we break something. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. So, I mean, the plan is to just really get this channel back up and running again. For me, it was just a matter of where I really wanted to focus my time. And when I got into the car community, when I bought that FRS and really started teaching myself, like, first of all, I'm not mechanically inclined or anything. I don't consider myself anything close, so the car thing kind of just came out of nowhere, but through it gave me so much experience. And at the end of the day, it's just another outlet for me to extend my creative passion. I mean, when I was in art school, I was building Pepakura robot busts, you know? Like, I was designing my own helmets, and believe it or not, the theme was black and green. I think I kind of just brought that out of college. Same mentality, same mindset, but just bigger platform, you know? And I also want to thank all you guys who sent me packages. I don't ask for any of this, so I feel really appreciative, and I thank you guys for taking the time out of your days to put together these packages and to send me good vibes. It introduces me to new things, and sometimes that's how I get the best ideas, you know, from you guys. Favor GK, appreciate you for sending me this. This is a culmination of years of experience. To have your own toy brought to life is really something. And yeah, I just want to give a big shout out to Favor GK for making one of my dreams come true. Super cool. I'm gonna end this video here, so thank you guys for watching as usual. And if you're wondering where I am, this is the new studio store slash garage. Basically my hyperbolic time chamber. This is where I get work done. In the near future, I promise I will do a full-on tour for this place. Just want you guys to get caught up on exactly what's been happening in my life, and I feel like I've been neglecting this part of it. You know, all of the ideas are up in here, and now it's just a matter of physically creating them and putting them out into the world. That can be anything from drawing tutorials to random video ideas that you guys send me on my Instagram feed or something. I just want to do more, you know? We're all given the same amount of time throughout the day. I know sleep is important. I've actually gotten pretty used to 6 hours, and then I take naps throughout the day. I listen to my body, you know? But sometimes I can overwork myself. Gotta make sure the ends justify the means and that it's all worth it. And sometimes in the beginning it's kind of hard to see. Be true to yourself and your passions, and you'll figure out exactly what you want to do with your life when you notice that you're spending more time in certain areas compared to other areas. I think that's when you really just have to kind of reevaluate your situation, become a little more self-aware, ask yourself what path or direction you really want to take in life. And as usual, if you guys want to get updated on when new videos get released on this channel, hit that sub button and leave some good vibes in the comment section. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Ciao.